See, there is another Ponzi scheme. You get me? Yes, another scam. Honestly, there's what we call Veritas. People have just complained. Many people on the comment section of this guy called Orobo TV, right? People have complained that they registered for that thing to watch video and get paid like 2K. You get me? 3K etc. But they have registered and paid 19,000 something, but nothing to write them about. Nothing. They see nothing. So I'll have to tell you that this Veritas of a thing, right? I don't know how it is or how it works, man, but the fact remains it now scam way in B. You get me? Judging from what people said, right? From the comment section. Now, very simple thing, guys. Now, this guy said, join Veritas now and make money from every video you watch online. You understand me? Instead of you now seeing videos, right, without making money, they buy your data, make you watch video and still make money out of it. You get me? That is the purpose of this app. But the fact is that this app is not really encouraged because it doesn't pay, right? People have really registered, man, but it never paid them at all. Rather, it took from those people. It makes sense at all. Guys, I have registered since yesterday. Nothing came out of it. After collecting 19,500 for registration. May God help us for this Nigeria. Are you serious? This guy's name is what? Yusuf Ola Milekan. Saying don't register since yesterday. He paid money, 19,500, but still nothing. Still nothing. And you have the boldness to market this kind of thing. Yeah? It makes sense at all. This is why they support that man, because in there against all this scam of a thing, all these Ponzi schemes, man, and all you content creators, man, that we not verify things well before you now start to market that thing. It makes sense at all. No, tell me. It makes sense. See another testimony, right? Don't register. This guy's name is what? Sonny Dave Grace. Don't register. It's a scam. Many people have made payments, including me, and they are not responding again. Don't fall for them. Oh. Are you serious? Just like MMM that year, we've been paid at a point, fizzle out. Guys, make that careful, honestly. I said, make that careful. See another one, Gifted Inner. Most of you bloggers are making a very big mistake. Trust me, very soon, people will no longer believe you bloggers. The reason is that you come online and share links with people without telling them the criteria or the requirements they need to be able to access their funds. Later, they will now discover that what you told them was different from what they got. Remember Chili came with same story, like just watch video and make money. But it ended up as no buying of glass, no withdrawal. Are you serious? Eh? Are you serious? Now, again, Onyema Matthew, this guy don't join scammers. So, do you know I have registered and yet have not seen login details? Since I made my payments, they have stopped responding to me. Are you serious? So, having listened to these testimonies, right, against this app called Veritas, are you serious? Where you go watch video and you make money. They will take your 19,500. After everything, nothing. You can't be able to log in or register. Why would you do so? Desist from doing so. Guys, don't do it at all. Leave it. Now scam. Now very simple thing. What is all this? If you want, don't even tell me say na glitch. No be glitch. If you want to do something, do them well, so that anybody will just click on that thing, make it they see results. You understand me? Now very simple thing, guys. I rest my case.